Casement windows are a popular choice for homeowners who value clear views, strong airflow, and easy operation. Like any part of your home, however, they need regular care to stay in top condition. With the right maintenance habits, casement windows can continue to perform smoothly and look great for many years. For homeowners in Pell City, understanding how to properly maintain these windows helps protect both comfort and long-term value. Keep the frames and glass clean. Routine cleaning is one of the simplest and most effective ways to maintain casement windows. Dirt, pollen, and debris can build up on glass and frames over time, affecting both appearance and function. Cleaning the glass regularly keeps views clear and allows you to spot potential issues early. Frames should also be wiped down using mild cleaners that won't damage the finish. For Pell City homeowners, regular cleaning helps prevent buildup that could interfere with seals or window operation. Inspect and maintain the hardware. Casement windows rely on hinges, cranks, and locking mechanisms to open and close smoothly. Over time, these moving parts can collect dust or become stiff if not maintained. Periodically checking the hardware ensures everything operates as intended. Applying a light lubricant to hinges and cranks can help keep movement smooth and quiet. Homeowners in Pell City often find that simple hardware care prevents sticking, grinding, or uneven operation. Check weather seals and gaskets. Weather seals play a critical role in keeping outdoor air and moisture out of your home. Over time, seals can wear down, crack, or loosen. Regularly inspecting these components helps ensure your casement windows remain energy efficient and comfortable. If you notice drafts or visible wear around the edges of the window, it may be time to replace worn seals. Maintaining tight seals helps Pell City homeowners avoid unnecessary air leakage and indoor discomfort. Clean the tracks and hinges. Even though casement windows don't slide like some other styles, dirt can still accumulate around hinges and opening points. Keeping these areas clean prevents debris from interfering with proper movement. A soft brush or cloth can be used to remove dust and buildup. Regular attention to these details helps your windows open fully and close securely every time. Monitor for moisture and condensation. Moisture can affect both window performance and surrounding materials. Occasional condensation may occur, but frequent moisture buildup could signal seal issues or ventilation concerns. Pell City homeowners should keep an eye on window corners, sills, and frames for signs of moisture. Addressing minor issues early helps prevent long-term damage and supports healthier indoor conditions. Test locks and security features. Casement windows are designed to seal tightly when locked, which contributes to both comfort and security. Periodically testing locks ensures they engage properly and hold the window firmly in place. If a lock feels loose or doesn't align correctly, addressing it sooner rather than later helps maintain window integrity. Well-functioning locks also provide peace of mind for homeowners in Pell City. Trim nearby landscaping. Overgrown plants or tree branches near windows can rub against frames or block proper airflow. Keeping landscaping trimmed around casement windows reduces the risk of scratches, moisture retention, and debris buildup. This simple step also makes cleaning and inspections easier, helping your windows stay in better condition over time. Schedule professional inspections when needed. While routine maintenance goes a long way, professional inspections can catch issues that aren't always visible. A trained eye can identify worn components, alignment concerns, or seal problems before they affect performance. For Pell City homeowners who want long-term reliability, occasional professional maintenance helps extend the life of casement windows and ensures they continue operating at their best. Protecting performance for years to come. Maintaining casement windows doesn't require complicated routines, just consistent care and attention. By cleaning regularly, checking hardware and seals, and addressing small issues early, homeowners in Pell City can enjoy smooth operation, lasting comfort, and dependable performance for many years. With proper maintenance, Casement windows remain a smart, durable investment that enhances both daily living and long-term home value.